Shoot, I'm late again. If I don't make it to the game on time, the coach is really gonna be mad. He might not even let me play. I could really make up for some lost time here. If it wasn't for all those tickets, it seems like everyone in the world can take away my license. The court, DMV, even my dad. I still can't believe what he did with my stereo.
At least you've got a license and a car. And now you can enjoy all the wonderful natural sounds around you as you drive.
Yeah, I know. Like I'm gonna enjoy the natural sounds of my coach yelling at me when I show up late to the baseball game.
Of course I'm going to give you a bad time if you're late. I'm supposed to. But there's a lot of games left this season. You lose your license and have to drop off the team. You wait and see what I do to you then.
Don't worry, Coach. I'm paying attention. There isn't a cop in sight. It's under control.
Now, where have I heard that before? Wasn't it right before that little train incident? You remember, the one that made me refuse to ever ride with you again?
Yeah, I know. I'll be more careful. I'm only gonna push it just a little bit. I won't get stopped for this.
Gosh, Jack, look at this. The picture on your license is fading away.
How'd you get that?
I can barely make it out. What do you think this means?
Okay. I get the picture. It's time to play it safe.
Get out there.
If you want more information about this program, pick up a California Driver Handbook at your local DMV. Or check out DMV's website on the internet. There's some really cool stuff there.